My name is Natalia Castaño Cárdenas. I am a commercial advisor. I am from Manizales, but I live in Villa Maria. I am the most short in my family, and I prefer in my free time outdoor activities. This is my family. My daddy's name is Jose. He is 57 years old. He is a retired police officer. He is more patient than my mom. He prefers to rest than go out, but we used to walk together. He is average height, average weight, and older than me. She is my mom. Her name is Janet. She is 54 years old. She is a merchant, and she is less patient than my daddy, but more active. And she prefers go by shopping than stay at home watching movies. And we go by shopping together. My brother's name is Daniel. He is 31 years old. He is a doctor, and he is the tallest in the family. He prefers stay at home, so we watch movies together. She is my sister. Her name is Angelica. She is 25 years old. She is a doctor student. She is younger and taller than me, and she prefers to play board games, so we do it together. And finally, she is my sister Isabella. She is a bad student. She is 21 years old. She is the most sporty in the family and prefers biking than walk. We do hairstyles together, but I prefer free hair.